guys, first of all, very good morning. So here I am going to discuss with you the very important topic, and there may be asked this kind of a questions in exam. Okay, they can ask. That is, what is the cardinality? They can ask for the 2 marks. What is the cardinality ratio? And explain the types of cardinality. You need to explain the 4 types of cardinality. That is 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to many, many to 1. Okay. Before going to that, what is the connectivity here? Connectivity means what? The name itself says that connectivity means two entities nadu connectivity madu line that is called as a connectivity. Alright, connectivity means what here? There are 2 entities are there in between the connection which establishes the connection between the 2 entities. That line is called as a connectivity. What is connectivity? The connectivity of relationship describe the mapping of association entity instances in a relationship. The values of connectivity are 1 or a many. Okay, in reconnectivity and Renu, I am sharing the screen to you people. If it is visible clearly, then you can raise your hands, guys. I hope the whiteboard is visible to everyone. Okay, what is the connectivity here? Okay, it's clearly visible to you all. So this one is a one entity. Okay, the second one is entity. Here, the in between the 2 entity, a relationship will occur. Okay, here this is first entity. This one is a second entity. Okay, in between the 2 entity, one relationship occur. That relationship is represented by diamond symbol. Otherwise, you can also say this one as a rhombus symbol. This is a rectangular. Okay. Now, in between the 2 entities, the relationship occurred. That relationship is associated with one line. This is called as an association in the 3. This is association anta helini. Okay, this line is called as a connectivity line. Okay, these 2 lines are connecting the 2 entities. Otherwise, you can see here another one is 2 entities, and here another, the total 2 entities are there. Directly you can join these 2 entities. Okay, directly you can join these 2 entities. Otherwise, there may be a relationship occur between the 2 entities. Okay, so these 2 entities are connected with one line. This is called as a connectivity. Okay, this association is called as a connectivity. Connectivity andre idun connect madatadri idu line. Okay, this line is connecting this and this 2 entities. This line is connecting the 2 entities. This association is called as a connectivity. Okay, how type connectivity ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ? That is 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1 connectivity, or a 1 to many connectivity, or many to many connectivity, or a many to 1 connectivity. There are 4 types of cardinality ratios are there. Let us see clearly what are those types of connectivity between the 2 entities. PD3, how many connectivities are there? Total 4 types of connectivity. That is 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to 1, many to many. Total 4 types of connectivities are there. PD3 ಏನು connectivity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 entities ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಲೈನ್ ನಡು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 to 1 ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. 2 ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ or 2 ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ನಡು 1 to 1 ಇರಬಹುದು, or many to 1 connectivity ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ many to many connectivity ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay, many to 1 ಇರಬಹುದು, or 1 to many ಇರಬಹುದು. So like that. So I am clearly explain you the 4 types of connectivities. First one is, before going to connectivity, let us see what is the cardinality here. The cardinality of relationship is actual number of related occurrence for each of the 2 entities. Cardinality ಎದಕ್ಕಂತಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿ? Today's topic is very easy also and very interesting. Don't exit from the class, guys. Before going to that 4 types of connectivities, let us see what is a cardinality. Cardinality ಎದಕ್ಕಂತಾರೆ? Okay, ಇದು ಒಂದು entity ಅದ, and this is another one entity. Okay, The both entities are having connectivity with each other. The relationship is also occurred between the two entities. Okay, the number of occurrence is 3. That is 1 to 1 or a 1 to many or many to many or many to 1. So these number of occurrences, how many number of occurrence agavaldri? You can an karitara cardinality ratio or a cardinality an karitara. ತಿಳಿಯಿತು? One entity, ಒಂದೇ entity ಜೊತೆ relationship ಅದ. That is called as a 1 to 1. One entity that is having a relationship with the many entities. Okay, that is 1 to many. The many entities are having a relationship with the many entities. That is called as a many to many. The many entities are having a only one relationship with the only one entity. That is called as a many to many. So this number of occurrences say 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to many, many to 1. That is called as a cardinality. Avukku cardinality ratio anu karitare. I hope you understood. Let us see one after the another. What are those cardinality ratios? Right. First one is 1 to 1. First one is 1 to TO2. Okay, 1 to 1 cardinality ratio. That is 1 to 1. Okay, here an entity A, flux potential, this is one entity that is associate with the at most one entity in a B. This is entity A. Assume that one entity adari, the entity of that name, the name of that entity is A. Another one entity is there. The name of that another one entity is B. Okay. Total how many entities are there? 2. Okay. An entity A is associated with at most one entity in a B, and an entity B is associated with a most one entity A. Okay, this is entity A and this one is entity B. So this one entity, A entity, is connected with the only one entity, or only one other B is another one entity. This B is also connected with the only one entity. That is 1 to 1. Okay, this is syntax ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆ. Okay, 1 to 1 means what? This is one entity, this is another one entity. There are two entities are there. So for example, A entity which is connected, only this A, only one entity is connected with the only one B entity. Okay, here ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದೇ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, this is a only one entity B that is related to the only one entity, that is A. This is called as a 1 to 1 entity. Okay, best example 1 to 1 relationship. Okay, best example for this one is one best example ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ 1 to 1. The entity is manager. Okay, manager. Next, department. Tell me the relationship between the manager and department. Which kind of a relationship? The name of the relationship. Here ನೋಡೋಣ, manager department ನಡು ಏನ್ relationship ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? First, manager ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗ? Asha work. Manager work for department. Okay, manager manages department. Very good, Krishna. Manager manages the department. So management, manage ಮಾಡಾತನ, ಯಾರು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಆಶಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅನುಷಾ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಸ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. not a relation. Relationship Vijayalakshmi. Relation is different, relationship is different. Relation means stable. Relationship means what? Occur ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ meaning, that is called as a relationship. Anusha, very good. Manages. Yeah. Manager manages. MANAGES ಅಂತದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿಲಿ. Manages. Okay. Here connectivity occurred between the two entities. First entity is manager and the second one entity is department. In between, the one-to-one cardinality or a connectivity is occurred. Only one manager can manage the only one department. Okay. So one department ಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇರ್ತಾನ್ರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೇನ್ರಿ? ಒಂದ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ 3-4 ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇದೀನಿ, ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು 4 ಮಂದಿ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, ನಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾ ಈ ತರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So obviously a department should contain only one manager. Okay, as you can see, only one manager can manage only one department. Okay, only one department. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಒಬ್ನೇ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವ ಒಂದೇ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 1-to-1 ಆಗೈತಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ have only one manager. Okay, one department can have a multiple manager. One department adanmele obbre manager irbeku. For example, for a BCA department only one HOD, BCA department only one HOD, BCom department only one HOD. Multiple HOD ididra agangilla. It's not impossible. Okay, it's not can't imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು HODs ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು HOD ಇದೀನಿ, ನೀನು HOD ಇದಿ, ನಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗ ನಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಿಂಗಂತ ನಾ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾ ಅದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ that's why only one manager can manage the one department. That's why the department is also having the only one manager. There are two entities are there. So this is called as a one-to-one relationship or a one-to-one cardinality, one-to-one connectivity. 33. Next, give me another one example. Another one example. Here ನೋಡೋಣ. Manager manages a department. Then another one is ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 1-to-1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 1-to-1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This is one entity and another one entity. In between one relationship occurred. Okay, register number assigned. This is assigned. Okay, assigned ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋರಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಟು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಿ? ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಏನು? ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. Okay, here connectivity occurred, that is associated by the single line. Okay, only one register number assigned to only one student. Multiple register number cannot be assigned to the particular one student. As I ikadi nodri, only one student can assign. Only one student is having the only one register number. 3. Okay, Anusha. Student. We are assigning the register number to the student here. Only one register number assigned to the only one student. Only one register number cannot be assigned to the two students, three students or more than 2-3 students. Okay, only one register number can be assigned to only one student. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 1-1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು only one student can have only one register number. I hope you understood the one-to-one relationship. ತಿಳಿದ್ರಿ? 1-to-1 relationship ಇದು ತಿಳಿದ್ರ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, one to many relationship. If anybody have a doubt in this, tell me. One state have one. Yes, very good. One state have one capital. Very good, Asha. One state have only one capital. Only one capital is assigned to the only one state. Yes, very good, Asha. ಇದು ತಿಳಿದ್ರಿ 1 to 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 to many. One to many. Second one is 1 to many. One to many. Okay. ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 1 ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಅನ್ನಂದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಬರದಿನ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಟೈಮ್ is very less, no, so that's why I took like this. Next, 1 to many. This is 1 to 1, 1 to many. Okay, an entity A is associated with any number of entity in a B. An entity B can be associated with at most one entity in A. Okay, as you can see here, this is one entity is there and the second one entity. The first entity name is A and the second one entity name is B here. Okay, both are having a connectivity with each other. So as you can see here, 1 to many ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, next ಇಲ್ಲಿ many ಇರ್ಬೇಕನ್ನಂದ್ರಿ. Okay, so this entity, only one entity having associated with the many entities here. Okay, one entity in ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಈ ತರ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ many entity can have a relationship with the one entity. Okay, associated with the an entity A. This is entity A is associated with the any number of entity. M means any, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು. M means many. M ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ many, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು. This is entity A which is associated with and with line connectivity. Okay, connected or associated with a many number of entity in a B. Okay, B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು entities ಇದಾವ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು entity ಅಂದಂಗ್ರಿ ಇದು. Okay, ಒಂದ್ entity ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು entity ಜೊತೆ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರಬಹುದು or ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ entity B can be associated with the at most one entity in a A. ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ 1 to many ಅಂದ್ರ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ the entity A is associated with only one entity A is associated with the multiple entities, but multiple entities are associated with the at most one entity. Okay, take one good example, then you can easily understand this one. One example ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ many, 1 to many ಅಂತತಗ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. many, 1 to many ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ another one example. ನಾ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು. Obviously this is a 1 to many. One relationship, one entity having a relationship with the many entities ಅನ್ನಂದ್ರಿ 1 to many. Department ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Teacher teaches many students. Very good, Asha. One teacher can teaches many students. Very good, Asha. Really nice. Many students are ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ many students are learn from one teacher. Very good, Asha. Very good. Nice. ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೋರಿ ನೀವು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಾತಿನ. This is department. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರೇನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Each customer can have many sales order. Ma'am, each customer can have ನೋಡಿ customers. Each customer ಅಂತ ಒಳಗ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Each customer can have many sales order. Ma'am, then Savitri, one teacher can teaches many students. Okay, very good, Savitri. Saujanya, one state has many districts. Many districts have only one state. Very good, Shivdeva and Saujanya. Amrita. One classroom having the many students. Very good. Many students are sitting in a one class. Very good. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಮೆನಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. one customer buy many things. Purchase from the one customer. Very good, Asha. Nice. ಬಾಳ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಈಸ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಜಾವಾ ಒಳಗ. ಒನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್. EMPLOYEES, employees. Okay, one department has a many employees. Many employees works in a one department. Correct aitala? This is a tree having a many fruits. Many fruits are many fruits are ಏನ್ರಿ ಏನಂತಾರ ಅವಕ್ಕ born in one tree. Very good, nice. Okay, as you can see, this is one entity. Sorry, not one entity, this is department. One department has a many employees. Okay, many employees works in a one department. As you can see, this is a one to many. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ one to many, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ many to one ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. One to many ಹಂಗಂದ್ರ one department has a many employees. Okay, ಹಿಂಗಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ರ next ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರ that is many employees works in a one department. Okay, ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, this is one to one, one to many. Next, many to one ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Many to one, anybody? Many to one ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. One to one, one to many. Second one ತಿಳಿತು. Then the third one, that is many to one. That is many to one. ಏನೋ ಇದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ. Many patients go to one doctor. Many people works in one company. Yeah, people means what? Employees here. Okay, very good. Next, Krishna, plants revolves one sun, ma'am. Okay, very good. Very good. Nice, good example, Krishna. Plants revolves one sun. ಅಂದ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಇದು ತಗೋತದ್ರಿ ಅದು plants grow ಆಗೋದು. Many plants grow. Kaveri, many students can study in one college. Very good. Different products are manufactured in one company. I think this is example of many to one. Shivdev and Saujanya. Next, Kaveri, many to one. Many students can study in one college. Very good. Next, na ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ example ಹೇಳಾತ್ರಿ. One book, many pages, ma'am. One book have a many pages in a one book. Very good, guys. Very good. Many, one book many pages. ಎದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಇದು? one book second ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಎದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? one to many ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಈಗ many to one ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅಮೃತ, many employees depends on company. Okay. Anusha, many employees works in one department. ಅದು ಆಗಳಿದ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. Okay, let's see. Here an entity A is associated with at most one entity in a B, and the entity B is associated with the two or more entity in a A. So assume that here one entity is there, that is A entity, and there another one entity, that is B entity. Okay, the name itself says that many to one means what here? Relationship occurred between the two entities. A many entity is connected with the only one entity here. Okay, one entity is connected with the many entity here. Association. The entity A is associated with the many entities. Many entities associated with the one entity here. One entity is associated with the many entity here. Okay, that is A. Okay, let us see one example for the many to one relationship. Many to one ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಾತ್ರಿ? Asha, many photos in one phone. Many photos in one phone. One phone have a many photos. Yes, very good. Savitri, many members are live in one family. One family have a many members. Very good, Savitri. Nice. Nice, guys. Okay. Okay, take one good example here. Already examples ಹೇಳಾತಾರ್ರಿ many to one. That is, many photos are there in a one phone. One phone may have a many photos. Next, many peoples or a members in one family can have a many peoples or a family members. Very good, nice. Okay, showroom ಒಳಗ ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ತಾವೇನ್ರಿ products? Authorized showrooms has a one product. Many to one. Authorized showrooms, that is, many authorized showrooms has a one product. ಈಗ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ರಿ, ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಇದ್ರ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆನಿ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾದು ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ರಿ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್. ಈಗ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದರಿ, ಅದ್ರದೊಂದ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಅದೊಂದ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಅದ್ರದೊಂದ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್. ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ 4-5 ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಇರೋದು ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅದು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ authorized showroom. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ರಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಆಥರ್ ಬುಕ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಇದು ಇರುತ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಕಾರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Here many showrooms, okay, many showroom has one product. That is many to one. Many showroom ಅಂದ್ರ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ರೀ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಚೌಕ್ ಒಳಗ ಒಂದ್ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಅದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದ್ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದ್ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದ, ಅದು ಬೈಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಅದರಿ, ಇದೆ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬೈಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರ ಮೆನಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತಾರಿ, ಬೈಕೆ ಮಾಡಾತಾರ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದು. ಇವ್ರು ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದೆ, ಇದು ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿದೆ. ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅವು ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು? ಸುಜುಕಿ, ಅವು ಇವು ಏನೇನೋ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಒಂದ್ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಅದ, ಒಂದ್ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಜುಪಿಟರ್, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳ ನೇಮ್. 3 ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. 3 ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತಾವ್ರಿ? ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತಾರ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತಾವ್ರಿ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ದ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದಾವ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದಾವ. ಯಾವ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ ಒಂದು, ಸುಜುಕಿ ಒಂದು, ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ಒಂದು, 3 ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ 3 ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರ ಯಾವ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅದು ಕಂಪನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಕಾರ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅದಾವತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಕಾರ್ಗಳು ನೆನ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ನಂಗ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಾತೀನಿ. ಶೋರೂಮ್ 3 ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದಾವ. ಯಾವ ಅಂದ್ರ ಸುಜುಕಿ, ಹೋಂಡಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಜುಪಿಟರ್. 3 ಕಾರ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ನೇರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೆನಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಓನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆನಿ photos in a one phone, or a one phone have a many photos, or a many people live in a one family, or a one family have a many family members. Okay, guys, the next one, that is many to many, will explain it in the next class, guys. If anybody have a doubt, let me know. Anybody have a doubt? ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Many to many will explain in the next class. That is homework for you people. Many to many. Many to many homework ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿರಿ ಈಗ? ಜಲ್ದಿ ರೈಸ್ ಯರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಜಲ್ದಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿರಿ? No doubt. ಯಾರು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ರೈಸ್ ಯರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. Only time is less than 1 minute. Those who joined now, raise your hands. Sarvesh Banhoda, I think so.